Advanced manufacturing and automation technology, it's everywhere, in every industry, in automotive, aerospace, food industry, and other industries as well. But facing technology advancements.
Today, with artificial intelligence, machine learning, we are heading into semi-automatic, fully automatic type of jobs. It's emerging technologies and it's going very fast. In Ontario, advanced manufacturing is one of the top mandates from the ministry.
Opportunities are everywhere. That's why here at Centennial, we keep up with the latest technology and we improve our programs as we go.
Advanced manufacturing and automation technology have 4 program areas. First is electrical, second is mechanical, third is automation robotics, and finally is the aerospace.
We have top-of-the-line laboratories. We have specific software that not other colleges have, and we teach the students the principles of Industry 4.0 and beyond. The students, once they graduate, they are confident they can perform well in their job.
What I love about the robotic program at Centennial is the exposure to different kinds of robots. We have ABB, which are Swedish robots, Fanuc, which are Japanese robots, Universal Robot, which are from the States. This wide exposure helped me to see the variety in the industry.
Starting from second year, we already have students go out to industry visits. They know us and we know them. So our students definitely will engage a lot more experiential learning.
Centennial College offers many different streams that you can use for your advantage. They have the industry visit or tours, the career nights, or the co-op or the research facilities. This is very helpful for employers as you interact with them and see how your interest is aligning with theirs.
Centennial grads have the right knowledge, and the employers, they see this. They don't need to train our students because our students have the right knowledge and skills already.